Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to highlight text in Filmora application. To highlight a text in Filmora app is a super easy process, so let's go ahead and dive into the video. First of all, open your Filmora application from your app drawer. Once you get to the main home page of Filmora, click on New Project. Import the video or image you want to add text to by tapping on the image or video and clicking on Import at the bottom right. Once you import your video to your timeline, click on the text button at the bottom of the screen. Now click on Add right under the plus T option and enter the text you want to add to your picture or video. Now, make sure that you're inside the Style option. Select one of the text style from the menu. You can also add background colors or change the color of your text background by selecting the background option so that you can highlight the text. After you are done, click on the tick mark at the top right. Adjust the duration of the text by dragging the edges and covering it till the end of the video according to your preference. Preview your video to ensure that the text is highlighted as desired by tapping on the play button, and that way you can easily highlight text in the Filmora application in just a couple of steps. You can now export your video if you are done with the result. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.